Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sa video na to, ipe-present natin ang newest generation of Mitsubishi pickup that will be present next year. Pero bago natin simulan, paki-like and subscribe naman ang ating YouTube channel para updated kayo sa latest unit and promos namin dito sa Mitsubishi. So ito na guys, finally Mitsubishi Motor Corporation reveals the all-new Triton with its specification, features, and prices ahead before launching it in the market in the first quarter next year. Just a few months ago, MMPC had its most awaited first global debut in Thailand. So simulan na natin sa presyo ng ating Mitsubishi Triton. Meron tayong 7 variants and ang base model natin ay itong GL 2-wheel drive manual transmission, SRP of 1,134,000, and for GL 4-wheel drive manual transmission, SRP of 1,157,000. And for GLX 2-wheel drive manual transmission, SRP of 1,311,000 pesos. And for GLX 2-wheel drive automatic transmission, SRP of 1,383,000. And for GLX 4-wheel drive manual transmission, it's 1,561,000 pesos. And for our mid-level, which is the GLS 2-wheel drive automatic transmission, SRP of 1,582,000. Not but not the least, it's our top-of-the-line model is Athlete 4-wheel drive automatic transmission, SRP of 1,915,000. And punta naman tayo sa mga available colors para sa 2024 Triton natin. For our top of the line na 4-wheel drive automatic na Athlete, meron tayong white diamond, graphite gray, jet black mica, and our newest color is Yamabuki orange. Para naman po sa GLS automatic and GLX 2-wheel drive automatic transmission, meron po tayong white diamond, graphite gray, blade silver metallic, jet black mica, and red solid. And for our GLX 4-wheel drive manual transmission, meron lang tayong tatlong kulay, which is white diamond, jet black mica, blade silver metallic. And for our GL variants, ang isang kulay lang na meron to is yung white solid. And take note guys, may additional surcharge of 15,000 for white diamond. I-add po ito sa inyong SRP. So simulan na natin guys itong review sa Mitsubishi Triton. Under the hood, the specification of Triton will get the new 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine. The new engine is 4N16 for Athlete 4-wheel drive, which kicks off 204 horsepower, which provides high and stable power as it equipped with 2-stage turbocharger. It also produces maximum torque of 700 Newton meter. While for the lower variants, they are equipped with single turbo at 183 horsepower and a 430 Newton meter of torque. Complementing the engine is the all-new chassis and platform that is set to deliver better ride quality and handling. Last but not the least, transmission choices includes a 6-speed manual transmission and a 6-speed automatic transmission. And like our new Expander Cross, the PH specification for Triton, top of the line, will also be available with active yaw control, plus still gets the Super Select 2 4-wheel drive system. So ito yung mga option natin para sa Super Select 2 4-wheel drive system. Meron tayong 2H, ginagamit ito for city driving, normal driving, or yung mga drive paved roads lang. And yung 4H naman natin, ginagamit ito para sa mga slippery road. Kapag mga basa yung daan, or mabuhangin, or kung nasa ibang bansa tayo ay mas snow, okay itong gamitin yung 4H natin. And for our 4H LC, ginagamit ito sa mga rugged and rocky roads. It lacks the center differential, delivering equal power to all four wheels, and it gives better traction off-roads, which maintain vehicle stability and control. And for the 4LLC, ginagamit ito sa mga rocky roads, muddy, or in heavy terrain. Inaalaw kasi na ito yung power to be delivered slowly, pero malakas siya. This also provides excellent traction on steep hills, sand, and even deep snow. Now let's talk about kung ano nga ba ang mga safety features ng ating 2024. Ang sabi dito sa aming specification, it's now more intelligent and will be available with a multi-view monitor or a 360 camera. Nagbibigay ito ng extra visibility all around the unit. Speaking of intelligence, ang ating 2024 Triton ay may ADAS or Advanced Driver Assist System. That includes the following. Number 1, meron na po itong forward collision mitigation, automatic high beam, blind spot monitoring with lane change assist, lane departure warning, rear cross traffic alert, and hill start assist. At meron din ito syempre na adaptive cruise control, ultrasonic misacceleration mitigation system, active stability traction control, at meron itong 7 SRS airbags para sa athlete and 3 SRS airbags for the lower variants. Other safety features available: anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, stability control, parking sensors, and a reverse camera. Moving to some of its cabin features, the new 2024 Triton will get a new touchscreen infotainment system that's available in 8 inches and 9 inches. 8 inches for GLX variants and 9 inches for GLS and Athlete variants. All variants will get Apple CarPlay and an Android Auto. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang Bluetooth, with higher grade models getting wireless connectivity for CarPlay and Android Auto. For GLS and Athlete, it has a built-in navigation system. At syempre, in-upgrade din natin tong 7-inch instrument meter cluster, which provides more information and helps the driver easily understand the vehicle status and receive warning clearly for safety and convenience as well. Finally, Mitsubishi has stepped up its game by introducing wireless charging for smartphones, convenience and safety, as this takes away the hassle of bringing charging cables that might get in the way while driving, especially when shifting the transmission lever. For the new seat material, a combination of leather and fabric seat used in the high-end model to get distinction from its lower variants. And also, it gives premium and better comfortability to its users. Also has 10-way power seat adjustment. So ito yung personal review ko para dito sa 2024 Mitsubishi Triton. Para sa akin, aabangan to ng mga pickup lovers or sa mga merong lumang Strada, for sure. Marami ang magbebenta at mag-upgrade para kumuha nitong bagong Triton. At syempre sa mga Mitsubishi lovers dyan, dagdag collection ito sa kanilang Mitsubishi lineup. Napaka game changer ito sa ating Mitsubishi lineup kasi talagang hindi magpapahuli sa exterior appearance, mas ginawang aggressive at brusco, pero niretain pa rin yung signature na dynamic shield concept ng Mitsubishi. Interior naman, nagustuhan ko yung changes, ginawa itong mas premium look yet functional lahat. Also, itong Triton ay in-upgrade ang kanyang suspension and chassis frame para ma-improve yung towing capacity to give driving stability. Napakarami din dinagdag na safety features na wala yung outgoing model ng Strada, kaya talagang maraming mag-upgrade for sure dito sa ating Mitsubishi Triton. Halos lahat ng safety features na meron ang Montero GT or yung top of the line model natin na Montero, kinarga na lahat dito sa 2024, making it one of the most reliable pickup in the Philippine market. So guys, yan na yung latest update sa ating Mitsubishi pickup, which is yung Mitsubishi 2024 Triton. Sana nagustuhan nyo po itong ating video. Subscribe and like nyo po ito. So hanggang dito na lang guys. I hope you enjoy our video. See you on the next one.